Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Today, in this video, we'll show you how to import and export JetReviews using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Let's get started. First of all, install the essential plugins, such as the CSV Importer and JetReviews. Here, you can see that I have a total of 3 reviews for the post type post, 1 is approved, and the other 2 are unapproved. Now, let's see how to export these reviews from WordPress. To do that, navigate to WP Ultimate CSV Importer and switch to the Export tab. Here, select JetReviews. You will see a 3 JetReviews found message. Click Continue. Now, enter the export file name. Choose an export type, I'll select CSV. You can configure advanced filters if needed. Then, click Export. The file will be generated. Click Download and save the file with a name. Let's open and check it. As you can see, my 3 JetReviews have been exported. Now, let's see how to import these JetReviews. Before importing, make sure you have included the correct post ID. Now, let's import these reviews. Visit the WordPress dashboard. Here, you can see that I have no reviews. Let's start the import. Go to the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Start uploading the review import file from any location. Enable Fresh Import since we are importing new data. Choose JetReviews from the Select Post Type drop-down. Click Continue. Make sure all the fields are mapped correctly, especially the post ID. Save this mapping with a name and click Continue. You can configure any of these settings if needed. Now, simply import the data by clicking the Import button. The import is now being processed. It's completed. Let's verify it by visiting the JetReviews and All Reviews pages. As you can see, all 3 of my reviews have been imported successfully. So, this is how you can export and import review data for the JetReviews module with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.